welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming, and in this video lecture we go ahead and create a simple function that will help us to recycle list of numbers. So this is called a ring cyclic shift in Python programming, and what it helps to do is to recycle numbers around a list. So let's go ahead and create a function. Let's call that shift the ring shift. Alright, now let's go ahead and insert two parameters of let's say first and next. First and next, and using an if statement. So if next is less than 0, so if next is less than 0, then we go ahead and say that next is equal to the absolute value of next. Alright, so using a for loop, we go ahead and say for I in range of next, for I in range of next, then first dot append, then passing the value of first dot pop, and this has the value of 0. Now let's go ahead and say, because there is an if statement, so else for loop, go ahead and say for I in range of next, then we go ahead and say first dot insert, first dot insert 0, and first dot pop. Now go ahead and print out, let's say, values. Values is equal to, let's say, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, and 1. Alright, and 0. So I enter these are the values we need, and let's go ahead and print out values. So go ahead and print out values, and then you can go ahead and now shift these. Go ahead and call the next function. Go ahead and call the ring function ring shift, passing the value by, let's say, -2, and go ahead and print out values. So you can go ahead and do that multiple times. Anytime you call ring shift, you pass in value, and let's say 3 times, and go ahead and print out values. Alright, so you can do that one more time, or anytime I call ring shift and then pass in values, and let's say go ahead and print out values. So you can do that as many times as you want, and look into our code to make sure that everything is alright. So alright, because you can see we have next instead of next, so that's supposed to be next. And go ahead and run this code and check it out. Can you see it's now changed randomly, because that is what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to change randomly. Okay, so the first one is changed, second one is changed, and third one is changed, but the main value still remain constant. And if you run it again, go ahead and check it out to change. Alright, so that is called ring shift in Python, and most people might not find this very interesting because it's not usually used for a particular purpose. It's just for knowledge sake and improving your programming experience in Python. That is why we have all these projects and most of this project. All right, so why others help you for a particular purpose and why others help you for knowledge sake. I hope that is interesting. Go ahead and put it down on your own system, play around with it, and if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.